You have to do in your book. Okay. 52 multiplied by 13. Now, first of all, we will multiply by 13. 3 2s are 6. I will draw one line. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. First of all, 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 156. 156. Now, we have to multiply with 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 5s are 5. First of all, when we start that second line, under 6, under the first figure, one's place, we will put cross and then write 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5, 52. Now we will add these numbers. Look at this. We will add this number. 6, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, and 5 plus 1, 1 plus 5, 6. Answer is 676. Now, one more question I will do. 27 multiply by 24. Multiply by 24. First, we will multiply by 4. 4 7s are 28. We will write 8, 2 carry over. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10, 108. 108. Then again in ones place we will put cross. Cross or 0. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 54. Now we will add this number. Correct answer is 648. 648. Now I will give you one more sum. You will do yourself. Write 65 multiplied by 32. 65 multiplied by 32. Do this C part on your book. You will do yourself and write answer in chat box. You will write answer in chat box. Write answer in chat box. Part C. I am giving you time. Come on. Mimansha, what have you written? 672 wrong answer. Yes, Ashwik, good. Good. Vedanti Manhas, good. Ekampreet, good. Ananya Sharma, Avni, good. Ashwik. Yes, correct answer is 2080. 2080. I will write. First will come, first we will multiply by 2. It will come 130. After that, in second line, 195. Answer is 2080. 2080. No, 2080. I am going to delete all and you will do one more sum. Do 72 multiplied by 31. 72 multiplied by 31. Good, good. Well done, well done. Ekampreet, Avni, Ganya, Ananya Sharma, Vedanti, Riddhima. Ekampreet, your answer is wrong. Do correction. Anhita, Riddhima, Ashwik, good. Myra, Nishika, well done, well done. Ekam, do correction. Its correct answer is 2232. First, we will write. First row will come 72. Then 216. Answer is 2032. 2232. 2232. Now, I will write 3 digits figures. Look at the board. First, I will clear. Look at the board. 142 multiplied by 25. Find the product. Question number 2. These questions, all questions you have to solve on your book. I will send you homework of maths today. Now, how will we do? 5 2s are 10. 1 carryover. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 710. First will come 710. Now again in ones place, we will write cross. Now we will multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. 284. And the correct answer is 3,550. 3,550. 3,550. Now do this next question. 405. 405 multiply by 21. Now you will do yourself and then write the answer. Ojasvi, good. Well done. Ashwik, your answer is, you have done correction. No, wrong. Your answer is wrong. Ashwik, do correction. Mankirat, wrong answer. Nishika, right answer. Ashwik Jarangal, right. Mankira, do correction. Okay, I will do. Look at the board. 5 1s are 1 5s are 5. 1 0s are 0. 1 4s are 4. Now we will multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10. 4 2s are 8. Look at the answer. 8,505. Gurshesh, answer wrong. 8,505. Now, do one more question. I will do. Look at the board. $178 multiplied by 37. I will do. 7 8s are 56. We will write here 6. 5 carry over. 7 7s are 49 plus 5. 54. 7 1s are 7 plus 5. 1,246. 1,246. Now, again in ones place, we will put cross. 8 3s are 24. We will write 4 here, 2 carry over. 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 23. 7 1s are 7. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. 534. 534. We will add these numbers. Answer will be 6,586. 6,000. मीमांशा, ध्यान से सुनो, मैं ये अभी करवा रही हूं. मैंने अभी ये करवाया है. Look at the board. First of all, we have to multiply with the 7. 7 8s are 56. 5 is carry over. 5 carry over. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 5. 54. We have written here 4. Now 7 1s are 7 plus 5. Plus 5 12. Plus 5 12. Now again we will multiply with 3. 3 8s are 24. 2 carry over. 3 7s are 21 plus 2. 23. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. Answer is 6,586. Mimansha, have you understood? Answer is 6,586. Now I am giving you one more sum. Do yourself. Exercise question number 3. Write in your notebook. Write 408 multiplied by 15. 408 multiplied by 15. Good students. Come on. Take time. Ojasvi, good. Mankirat. Good. Well done. Gurshesh, answer is wrong. Ojasvi, good. Mankirat. Gania. Gurshesh, do correction. Okay, now look at the board. I will do. 5 8s are 40. We will write 40 here because first of all we will write 0 and 5 0 Nothing. We will write here. 4 was carry over. We will write only 4 here. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Now, again, 1 8s are, first of all in ones place put cross. 1 8s are 8. 1 zeros are 0. 1 4s are 4. 408. Answer is 6120. 6120. Now I am going to ask you, have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, now we will do exercise 5.6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. These are properties. When we multiply any number with 0, answer comes 0. 45 multiplied by 0. Answer will be 0. Next is multiplied by 1. 26 multiplied by 1. Answer will. Now, these are properties. First property is multiplication by 0. Another is multiplication by 1. And next is order multiplication. Order property or commutative property. Look at about 253 multiplied by 3 is equal to 759. Now we will write again 3 into 253 is equal to 759. Look at the difference. We have written the same number. First we have written 253 multiplied by 3. In second line we have written 3 multiplied by 253. Answer will be the same because we are multiplying the same digits. वो चाहे हमने पहले लिखा है या बाद में लिखा है. Okay, this is third property. It is called order property. Order property or commutative property. Order property or commutative property. Next is grouping property. Look at this grouping property. What is this grouping property? Nine into 5, we will keep this in bracket, into 2 is equal to 45 into 2 is equal to 90. Now 90. Now look at this. Answer will remain the same. Just like 9 for 5s are 45. 45 into 2. We will solve it. 5 into 10 multiply by 9. Answer will be 90. And 45 into 2 answer is 90. जब भी हम चाहे इधर से इधर प्लस करें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो चाहे इधर से इधर 45 और 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आंसर हमारे पास 90 ही आएगा. आंसर हमारे पास 90 ही आएगा. We call it grouping property. We call it grouping property. Next is distributive property. This property we will discuss in next class because it will take time. These properties were simple. This property will take time. We will discuss in next class. Now I am going to ask you, have you understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am going to mute all of you. Anybody has Rehana's number? किसी बच्चे के पास रेहाना का नंबर है? Say yes or no. I am going to unmute. Anybody has Rehana's number?
No, ma'am. No. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. No?
Yes, ma'am.
If anybody will have any doubt, we will discuss in next class. Okay. Bye-bye.